Bypassing detections with command line obfuscation. Introduction. Command line obfuscation is a powerful technique used by attackers to bypass security detections, evade endpoint protection systems, and execute malicious payloads without triggering alarms. Security tools rely heavily on command line logging and analysis, making obfuscation a key strategy for adversaries to stay undetected. In this lecture, we will explore different command line obfuscation techniques, analyze how they work, and discuss mitigation strategies. We will also provide practical examples and ways to de-obfuscate malicious commands. Why command line obfuscation works. Security solutions such as Windows Defender ADP, Sysmon, and SIEM tools monitor command line activity. However, these tools rely on signature-based detection, heuristics, and behavior-based analysis. Obfuscation exploits weaknesses in these detection mechanisms by altering command syntax, encoding payloads, and using alternative execution methods. Common reasons for success. 1. String-based detection limitations. Many security tools rely on keyword-based detection, e.g. PowerShell. Invoke mimikatz. Obfuscation changes the command structure, making detection harder. 2. Encoding and compression. Encoding methods such as base64 and compression algorithms disguise malicious intent. 3. Alternate execution paths. Using MIC, Rundle32, and mshta, or Certilo to execute scripts bypasses traditional detection. 4. Environment variables and substitutions. Attackers manipulate system variables to hide malicious code. Techniques for command line obfuscation. 1. String splitting and concatenation. Splitting known malicious commands into multiple pieces avoids detection based on specific substrings. Example 1. PowerShell concatenation. This bypasses simple detection mechanisms looking for IX directly followed by download string. Example 2. CMD string concatenation. Breaking up PowerShell helps evade naive detections. 2. Encoding and decoding. Security solutions often fail to decode encoded payloads before scanning. Example 1. Base60 for encoding PowerShell. This method makes it harder for signature-based tools to detect malicious content. Example 2. Base60 for encoding CMD. 3. Using alternate execution methods. Attackers abuse built-in Windows tools to launch commands indirectly. Example 1. Rundle32. Example 2. MIC. Example 3. mshta. These methods evade detection by avoiding direct execution via command exe or PowerShell.exe. 4. Environment variable manipulation. By using system environment variables, attackers obscure command intent. Example 1. CMD environment variables. This retrieves the command interpreter dynamically instead of calling command exe directly. Example 2. PowerShell environment variables. Mitigation strategies. 1. Advanced command line logging. Use Sysmon with event ID 1 to capture process creations with full command line details. Enable command line logging, event ID 4688, in Windows event logs. Monitor PowerShell transcription logging. 2. Behavior-based detection. Focus on behavioral analysis rather than string matching. Look for suspicious parent-child process relationships, e.g., mshta.exe spawning PowerShell.exe. 3. Block known abusable binaries. Use Windows Defender Attack Surface Reduction (ASR) rules to block execution of mshta.exe, wscript.exe, and rundle32.exe. For untrusted applications, implement AppLocker or Windows Defender Application Control (WDC) to restrict execution paths. 4. De-obfuscation techniques. Reverse base 60 for encoding using PowerShell. Use CyberChef or command obfuscation analysis tools. Analyze process ancestry to find unusual execution paths. Conclusion. Command line obfuscation is a major challenge for defenders. Attackers continually evolve their methods to bypass traditional security controls. However, by implementing behavioral detection techniques, improving logging, and using proactive threat hunting strategies, we can better detect and mitigate these threats. Summary of key takeaways. Understand the different obfuscation techniques: string splitting, encoding, execution path manipulation, etc. Monitor command line execution with advanced logging. Implement behavioral-based detection instead of relying solely on signatures. Use Windows security features like AppLocker and ASR rules to limit abuse. Continuously adapt to evolving attack techniques through proactive threat hunting. By staying ahead of attackers, we can improve detection capabilities and strengthen overall security posture.